Hello guys, this is Gabe from Steele Hyundai Fredericton. In this video I am going to show you how to charge 2026 IONIQ 5, 6, 9 or future models that have the Tesla charging port using the adapters. So specifically I am in this 2026 IONIQ 9 Luxury and I am going to do the process. So first of all you need to open this, and then as you see you have the charging port, and then you need to take one of the adapters of the that comes with your EV Hyundai car. Specifically in this one I have this nice backpack and include the level 2, level 3 and the level 1 charger adapter, sorry, and in this case I am going to use the level 2, level 3, and I am going to attach to here. So I am going to take this charging plug, and then I am going to do this. I take this, and as you see you need to position like this and then push until you hear a click, and then you go to the charging port and plug in, push, and then one is there, you go to the charging station that you are using. In this case I am going to use the one that we use here, and I am going to go to ready, and then I wait a few seconds, and then I am going to hear the sound charging started in the car. Depending of the charging port that you are using is faster or not, but
charging started.
Okay, so you hear that, and right now as you see is charging. So, and also I am going to check inside the car. And as you see is charging. Now I am going to do the inverse process. So I am going to stop charging, and then how to remove the adapter. So in case of this one I am going to cancel this. Are you sure? Yep. And then right now stop it. And right now I am able to remove this. So right now says unplug the connector, and I am going to do it. Right now I remove it, and then in order to remove the adapter I need to push this button and I remove it, as you see. So I have the adapter here with me, and then I put in my backpack, and then close this, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. Have a great day.